Loud.
No.
Loud.
Loud.
Yeah, going woof or ruff.
I just.
You look at them. When they start screaming, huh?
Not on your apple.
You were screaming.
That will really hurt.
Yeah.
They laughed at
Woof! 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 Bell!
Hannah's trying to.
I think it's.
Wait, is it
How was that working?
It's on.
Oh, because she's not a dog.
Just put it on.
Yeah, she's holding it on her neck.
Woof! Make sure the metal rods are
You
touching
gotta
your
be
neck.
really loud.
They are,
Hannah.
Heather. They're like.
Hannah, you have to be really loud when you bark.
Whoa!
What did it feel like?
Like they take your neck, we're just going. Hannah, you yelled like a Buddha.
Okay.
This is Isaiah's turn.
This
is Isaiah's turn.
He's only 4 pounds.
Oh my god.
Okay, this is Isaiah's turn. And he saw Hannah's turn, so he's scared now.
Like, Hannah, you got really, really loud, and then she
See?
fell.
That says no.
Yeah, well, where's the...
Yeah,
light?
and then she fell in the
Light,
water.
it turns red
Yeah.
when you bark loud. Try it.
Alright,
It's a game of chicken.
Okay.
Really, really, really loud. Just try it, because you won't get it for a while.
Where? What?
Yeah, do that. Do that. Do that. I got it.
That's scary!
Really, really loud. Like you had to do with a big. I can't find it.
Oh. I can't.
They can't make it.
I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't want it to.
Mom? Yeah. We'll try there.